Hello everyone, welcome to Rekha's Commerce classes. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. In this section, I am going to discuss about great career options after BCom. You will be wondering what to do after BCom. So it can determine your interest based on your career choice that you would like to opt after your graduations. So let's start. Master of Commerce. It's ideal for candidates to make a career in banking, financial service and insurance. This course helps you master the concepts you learned as a BCom student and apply it in the professional world. MCom, it covers a wide variety of study and research and has many specializations to offer besides MCom, such as taxation, MCom economics, MCom accounting, MCom banking, MCom finance, MCom marketing, and even MCom computer application, MCom e-commerce. Next we can see MBA, Master of Business Administration, is most popular course that assures you the job. In this course, you learn to manage all the aspects of business based on the specialization you choose. So MBA specialization are financial management, marketing management, then banking and insurance management, human resource management, and even system management. So even the science and humanities students can also pursue MBA. Next, Chartered Accountant is conducted by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So becoming a certified chartered accountant requires completing 3 levels of trained designed by ICAI, and the 3 levels are: first one is Common Proficiency Test, then IPCC Integrated Proficiency Competency Course, then CA, that is the final course. So the foundation course is the entry point into the course after the class 12th, and those who have completed graduation, they can directly entry into IPCC course. Next is MCom CA, Master of Commerce with Computer Applications, is ideal for candidates who wish to make career in banking, financial service and insurance. So it's a combination of computer with commerce, and it is concerned with computer software design to help the users to perform multiple specific tasks. Next one is LLB, Bachelor of Law course, offered at all law colleges of India, and it's regulated by Bar Council of India. So it's a 3 years plan, 3 years course, and the curriculum, it is divided into 6 semesters. LLB is popular course offered as a part of law streams, and candidates are awarded the degree only when they complete all semesters of this 3 years LLB course. Next one is CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst program. It's a PG professional qualification offered internationally by American-based CFA Institute. So this course, it includes a wide range of topics in domain of advanced investment analysis, including statistics, economics, finance, financial analysis. So to accomplish this designation of CFA, we have to pass 3 tier exams that it is considered to be highest standard in industries. Next is BAT. So what is this BAT? It is Business Accounting and Taxation course. Business, Accounting and Taxation course. It's an ideal path for those interested in the fields of sales, taxation and accounting. You can pursue this career profile by enrolling yourself in a certified 6 months program called Business, Accounting and Taxation course, which is also popularly known as BAT course. Next one is CS, Company Secretary, is all about legal aspects of business, and it is conducted by ICSI, that is Institute of Company Secretary of India. So in CS, 3 exams to be cleared like CA, that is first one is foundation, then executive and final course. ACS is responsible for complete company's tax returns, keep records, advise board of directors and ensure that the company complies with legal and statutory regulations. Next one is DBFS, Diploma in Banking and Finance Services. Students who are willing to have a career in banking can opt for DBFS. So it's a 2-year diploma course offered by IFBI, that is Institute of Finance, Banking and Insurance. Next one is CMA, Certified Management Accountant, is offered by the Institute of Management Accountants, and the content is regularly reviewed by the Institute of Certified Management Accountants. So CMA demonstrates your professional expertise in financial planning, analysis, controls, decisions, supports and professional ethics, making you the preferred choice for potential employers. To be a CMA certified professional, you must clear 2 stages of examination and also have a work experience of 2 years. Next is FRM, Financial Risk Manager, for a recognized degree in banking and finance. So it's an excellent option. A financial risk manager's primary job duty is to identify and analyze threats to the company assets, earning capacities and its performance or success in the market. CFP, Certified Financial Planner. It's one of the best courses after BCom with a duration of 6 months. It avails career options like a financial consultant and insurance consultant for its graduates. The CFP certification is a recognition of expertise in fields like financial planning, taxes, insurance, estate planning, and retirement. So, any of these above best courses after BCom are sure to land you a great job so that you can happily start your journey in a professional world. Hope you liked my video. Thank you.